Hey, I'm Michael with 𝐥𝐢𝐤 Power, and I want to show you Caseta switches. These switches are a means of adding a switch to a location that you do not have existing wiring. So if you have lights in your house already that are controlled by a switch at one location, you can get another switch added at another point without having to put in more wiring. They communicate wirelessly with one another to switch on and off the switch you already have. So in this case, I have a switch here. It's already hardwired for these can lights. And I would like to add another switch at this box. This is a dead switch, there's nothing there. I do not have wiring between this switch and that one at the end of the hall, but I would like to be able to control these same can lights from this location also. So what I do is you can get these Caseta switches. They communicate wirelessly. One of them must be hardwired. This one here. And the other one is a remote that fits under the same cover plates as the standard 𝐷𝐿 switches. So I'm going to install the hardwired switch in place of the switch at the end of the hall there. And then I'm going to install the wireless switch here. And at that point, I'll be able to control these lights from this location and the one at the end of the hall. Before removing this existing switch, I'm going to make sure it's dead. My light would tick red if I had power here. And we're good to pull it out. Okay, one thing to consider with these Caseta switches, along with many dimmers, is sometimes you may need a neutral connection. You do with these Caseta switches, and it's a code requirement that you put a neutral at every switch location today with newer installations. But if you're in an old building, you might want to check and make sure you have a neutral at the switch location prior to trying to install certain dimmers or Caseta switches. A lot of older buildings do not have neutrals at the switch locations. Okay, we have this Caseta switch in. It is now controlling these cans. And then I have the remote that is also controlling these cans.